Hi. Okay, MortgageMack here. So that last video I did, I embarrassingly failed to. Let me make sure again. Turn my microphone on. And they say if you're not making mistakes, you're not learning, right? So I guess I'm still in the process of learning this new way of being a marketing practitioner along social media. So today I prepared a formal, I guess, presentation specific to FHA 203B. So let me pull up my notes here. Today we're going to talk about FHA's 203B. And 203B is specific to purchase. There is what is called an FHA 203H, which I've done a video blog on, specific to disaster relief, which is still available to Harvey victims. And there's a 203K, which well, let me go back. The 203H loan program offers zero down. It falls along the same lines of a 203B, but to qualify, you have to have been a victim of Hurricane Harvey specific to your housing and have been misplaced. So it's a fantastic option, still available out there. So if you're interested and want to make an inquiry, please contact me by direct message. 203K is a rehabilitation and construction loan for homes that have been maybe damaged or in need of repair or just some basic aesthetics. But today we're going to talk about 203B. And let's first identify what a FHA loan is. An FHA loan is a mortgage that's insured by the Federal Housing Association, on which the borrower pays mortgage insurance to insure the lender against default. And the benefits of this program are specific to, let me get to my notes. Down payment. The conventional. There is a conventional 3% down loan program, but you have to be a first-time home buyer or meet certain income limitations. So FHA's down payment is only 3.5% of the sales price, and you don't have to be a first-time home buyer to qualify for this option. Another area that it is flexible relative to conventional is the minimum credit score. Conventional's minimum credit score is 620. FHA, or at least for one trust, and lenders establish their own overlay specific to this item. Our overlay, we go down to a credit score subject to approval of 550. In addition, something that's unique about 203B is if you are in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, and you could still qualify for a home loan, and wherein conventional would not allow that at all. But you have to meet certain requirements, and those requirements are a letter from the courts stating that you have permission to enter into a mortgage agreement, and you have to show evidence that you've made your payments on time for 12 full months in accordance with the original court orders. FHA has a 3.5% down payment, and for folks that are challenged with down payment, they may have the down payment but not have the closing costs. And FHA, subject to, again, to negotiations with the seller can pay up to 6% of the sales price towards a buyer's closing costs and prepays, which prepays are taxes and insurance for your escrow account and some per diem interest and that sort of thing. So, and for your homeowner's insurance for 1 year in advance. So that offers additional flexibility for folks that may have challenged with their credit score, challenged with coming up with the cash that's necessary to close on a home loan. Also, too, there's no income limitations, but there is a maximum mortgage amount. And for Harris County, that maximum mortgage amount and surrounding areas is $331,200 for a single family dwelling. 2 to 4 units are higher, and but I just in my career just haven't seen a great deal of 2 to 4 unit purchases. I know in other markets they seem to be far more standard than they are here for us. And one more flexible item that FHA has is its debt to income. So The maximum debt to income ratio for conventional today is just under 50%. I've closed loans at 49.999. If you go above 50, you don't get approved anymore. But I closed a loan recently on FHA wherein the debt to income ratio was just below 57. And so FHA has a great deal more flexibility subject to approval, subject to automated underwriting systems approval, has more flexibility for the homeowner than conventional transactions offer. So, in summary, I think FHA offers flexibility for more people to be able to afford a home and afford the home that they really desire than even conventional does. So the major drawback for FHA is the mortgage insurance is expensive and permanent. So what I mean by that is that FHA carries a 1.75 upfront premium that's added to the loan balance. Now you don't pay that at closing, but it's just added to the loan balance, and so you pay it over the life of the loan. In addition, the monthly mortgage insurance premium is 0.85 and could be slightly lower just depending upon your down payment and the length of the loan. And so for a lot of people, that becomes a major distraction or detractor from choosing FHA. But the national statistics show that people don't live in their homes much more than 9 years anyway. And so I don't see it as being that big a detractor to want to be able to offer a home buyer flexibility in the underwriting of their home loan. So those are the benefits, and that's the one major detraction associated with that program. And in summary, I think FHA is just a great loan opportunity for folks and just really offers a lot more people the opportunity to buy homes than would otherwise be able to do so if they were doing a conventional loan. So if you or someone you know has an interest in a home loan specific to FHA or even conventional, we do both. We do both FHA. Well, we do everything. We do USDA, we do FHA, VA, and conventional transactions, along with some additional portfolio products that we offer on a limited basis. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My phone number or cell number is 832-243-8549. That's 832-243-8549. Or email me at mack@onetrusthomeloans.com. That's MACK @onetrusthomeloans.com. Or if you're interested in applying, please apply at MortgageMack.com. I'm going to post this video on my mortgage blog at teammortgagemack.com, along with links specific to FHA and FHA's flexibility for today's homeowners. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Happy Friday. MortgageMack out. Take care.